Any marketing is better than no marketing. All you guys trying to build your Instagram, your YouTube, you're trying to build your TikTok, you're buying ads, okay? You're doing organic stuff. Like I do a lot of organic advertising. We spend about $40 million a year in paid ads, and I probably spend another $50 million just in organic energy. All marketing works if you don't quit on it. Repeat it, hit it again. You can make a bad campaign work if you don't quit.
Welcome to Grant Cardone's YouTube channel, sponsored by 10X Studios and GCTV.com. Real estate, finance, business, relationships, money, and more. We give $1,000 away, so make sure you subscribe now.
Super Bowl plays ads. These ads are crazy ads. Okay, people are actually going to the Super Bowl now to watch the ad. Like, I want to watch the game for the ad. So if you don't quit on the ad, now you can't just play the $2 million 30-second spot without wrapping around that ad. They're going to reinforce that. You know that, right? They don't just run the 30 seconds. They have a campaign to wrap around that before and after that ad. Whoever markets the most will win the most. Best product does not beat best known product. Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Big Pharma. By the way, you guys should all study Big Pharma. I mean, you want to find out good advertising, man. Big Pharma is probably the best advertiser of the worst product on the planet Earth. But they are amazingly committed to poisoning as many people as possible. Marketing is senior to sales. We're a very heavy sales organization here. Sales is the most sacred department in our company. Guys like Dave's like, I know he's going to talk about me right now, man. You know, when I see somebody actually working Saturdays and Sundays and nights and trying to convert people and handle the rejection, talking to you on the phone when you're hanging up on, you know, keeping it fun, calling people back, going through all that, you know. Dude, sales is the most sacred part of our organization, but it will work better if we market better. Better said, it'll work better if we market more, not even market better, okay? Marketing and promotion are senior to sales. Best known beats best. Whoever gets the most attention ends up with the most money. Now, this is contrary to what your grandfather told you or your parents. Your parents taught you. Be seen and not heard. Don't get too much attention. Don't be selfish. Okay? Fly under the radar. How many were taught to fly under the radar? Don't brag. Don't show off. If you won 7 Super Bowls, would you show rings? Right. If you got an Olympian gold medal, would you show the gold medal? You will wear it your whole life. Everybody agree? You win a World Series, A-Rod still, I was at his house, A-Rod still has all his World Series stuff in one room. Just all his gear sitting there. If you won a UFC fight, would you have your belt? Sure you would. Now in business, your belt, your rings, you're a rapper and you got a platinum, a 10X platinum album. You're not going to have it on the wall? Of course you are. But in business, what are you guys supposed to do? Oh, can't tell anybody. Can't tell anybody we're making a lot of money. They might hate us. Okay? It's wrong. You guys got to tell people what you're doing.